Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate online sales with Shopify. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to your Shopify dashboard. Click on Apps in the left-hand menu. In the Apps section, click on Shopify App Store. Use the search bar to find automation apps like Oberlo, Zapier, or Shopify Flow. Select the app that suits your needs and click on it. Press the Add App button to install it. Follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions. After installation, return to your Shopify dashboard. Open the newly installed app from the Apps section. Configure the app settings according to your business model. For Oberlo, connect your AliExpress account to import products. For Zapier, create zaps that link your Shopify store with other applications. Choose triggers and actions based on your sales process. If you use Shopify Flow, explore pre-built workflows that suit your needs. Set conditions for customer segmentation and automated responses. Create and customize email marketing automation through an email tool like Klaviyo. Integrate your email tool with Shopify for seamless communication. Test your automation setup with dummy transactions. Ensure your emails and notifications are functioning correctly. Monitor your sales performance through Shopify Analytics. Adjust your automation strategies based on data insights. Stay updated with new automation features released by Shopify. Regularly review your app settings to optimize your workflow. Continue to educate yourself on best practices in e-commerce automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.